Tips on succeeding with your affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a subject where you can keep on expanding your information on and keep on applying that knowledge. It doesn't matter if you are new or old to affiliate marketing, the more you learn is beneficial to you. In this video there are plenty of tips that you should find informative about affiliate marketing. If you generated significant profits, consider requesting more money from your program. If you are a star performer and convert lots of customers, the company may be very willing to pay you more to keep you happy. Study and borrow ideas from other affiliate marketers in your niche. Visit your competitor's website, subscribe to their newsletter and visit their blog. Take time to analyze how they are successfully managing to get sales. Once you have studied their techniques, try emulate them using your own affiliate links and watch your sales increase. Diversify your affiliate marketing strategy, do not put all of your advertising eggs in a single basket. No matter how tightly you focus on a particular niche, you should be able to find more than one affiliate to partner with. Maintaining good relationships with multiple affiliates will give you a safety net in case one advertiser ceases to be profitable. Affiliate marketing is a great way to link your website or blog to companies that can make you money. Adding links for specific products to your site will help to not only draw you more targeted traffic, but also earn you a percentage if the people click the link and buy it. Affiliate marketing is a great tool for bloggers all over the world. It enables them to generate an income by linking to business sites that sell what they are blogging about. If you have a great site with enough traffic, an affiliate link can be just what you need to pay for your domain or even some extra pocket money. After you get your foot in the door with affiliate marketing, you shouldn't rest on your laurels. Begin seeking out new opportunities and expand your horizons. Make another blog or add another domain to your host server and interlink your site so that your current customers can check out your new venture. Affiliate marketers should always be experimenting with different styles and techniques. Since the internet is in a state of perpetual evolution, your affiliate campaign should be, as well. Some things you try are not going to work, but you simply will never know unless you try them out. Experimenting is the way to go. Understand that this is not a get-rich-quick program and it will take some time to build up a program. The initial time to get a program started may seem slow, but keep in mind that this will end up being passive income. If you do the legwork on the front end, you can continue making money for years. With all of this information you have just read about, you should have learned some new tips about affiliate marketing. Just remember to always keep an open mind to learning new knowledge, and to not be afraid to use that new knowledge. The tips you just learned should help you with affiliate marketing, so don't neglect these tips when trying to be successful. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.